How to deposit money on Coinbase. Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to deposit money on your Coinbase account. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, go ahead and open your Coinbase application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Currently, you can see my portfolio balance. Now let's go ahead and add some cash here to increase it. First thing first, you need to find the settings menu at the bottom right corner. And once you are there, if you haven't already added your payment method, you can go ahead and click on add a payment method there and select anything like bank, PayPal, debit card, anything from this list to add as a payment method. Now, once you have added your payment method, you want to head over to the transfers tab on the bottom on the center of your screen at the bottom. From the pop-up, you just basically have to tap on receive. So once you tap on receive here, you can receive crypto from another wallet, but you want to add cash, you can just go ahead and click on the bottom option to add cash and transfer balance from your bank. Once you've selected that option, just go ahead and click on add cash. And you can also select your bank source. So if you have multiple payment methods, just click on there to switch between them and select the one that you like. Once you've selected it, all you have to do here is enter the amount you want to add to your Coinbase, tap on preview, and it's going to show you the summary of your transaction. Now just go ahead and tap on add cash now, and your transfer request will be sent. Once the transfer is complete, you'll be notified, and you can also check the updates for your account. So if you tap on view account, the cash will already be there. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.